Hey everybody, today we're going to try Better Made Special Potato Sticks Sweet Barbecue Flavor. I've heard of this company online. I think they were doing some initial advertising last year as a new company. And here they are. So, we have the depiction of potato sticks on there. The Better Made brand. Then on the back they have some initial information and Salvatore Semprano, CEO. Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah, that's his name. Salvatore Cipriano. He's the CEO of the company. Oh, I see. Okay. Better Made was founded on August 1st, 1930. And there were over 20 potato chip companies in Detroit. Today, only Better Made remains. Alrighty. So here we have this, and then we have nutrition facts. And let's go with those. It tells you something about a company if they're the only one that remains. Let's see here. Serving size 1 ounce or half a cup. Servings per container 3.5. Calories 150. Calories from fat 70. Total fat 8 grams. Saturated fat 2.5 grams. Trans fat 0 grams. Polyunsaturated fat 4.5 grams. Monounsaturated fat 1.5 grams. Cholesterol 0 milligrams. Sodium 290 milligrams. Total carbohydrates 16 grams. Dietary fiber 1 gram. Sugars 0 grams. And protein 1 gram. And then we have the 4 traditional vitamins and minerals. Vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, and iron. Once again, Better Made Special Potato Sticks Sweet Barbecue Flavored. Now let's open it up. Give it that whiff test. Clear out the lungs. Yeah, they're pretty much like a standard potato chip scented sweet barbecue. We have, well, let's see here. There we go. That's what it looks like. Little itty bitty potato stick. Covered, apparently, with, I'd say perhaps a liquid that was dried onto the potato stick. They definitely have that barbecue flavor. And in fact, I would go so far as to say that it was a smoky flavor, along with being sweet. Three of them. Essentially, when they bring out potato sticks, I would imagine the idea is that they're having the ability to put more in the bag than just whole sliced potato chips, if you will. Because you have these little tiny bits and pieces in a bag. Very good flavor. Better Made Special Potato Sticks. What do I think about them? Oh, sweet barbecue at that. I'm going to give them a thumbs up. Very flavorful. It's like I just said. I hazard a guess that they cut them down to this size based upon quantity, as opposed to a standard potato chip bag. See if I can't find a tissue here to wipe off the fingers. There we go. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you next time. Take care.